Yo, what's up, Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio, and today I have here a kit from the 90s anime, which is also iconic aside from the Gundam anime series. And this is one of the best anime I watched, although the story was not that easy to comprehend when I was young, but nowadays I tried to watch it, and good thing I know what kind of story it was. Anyway, this is the Neon Genesis Evangelion from you will not believe that this is a Neon Genesis Evangelion kit, but this is from Lese Industrial. I think this is a Chinese made model kit, and sad to say the box is really crappy, but thanks to Neo Hobs, my trusted store when it comes to bootleg kits or Chinese made kits, they provide this model kit because I'm waiting for a plastic model kit of the metal build type of Evangelion. So this is the plastic model version. So let's check this out, and all hail China. So the box art here is very simple. At first, you will notice, or you will think, that this is just a normal box or a mysterious parcel in front of your gate. But good thing NeoHobs wrote this Eva. I don't know who is Eva for Eva. But this is Evangelion, Neon Genesis Evangelion, and the box here is really crap. Anyway, if you open the box, at first it doesn't have any instruction manual, so you need to print by yourself the instruction manual. Good thing I have scratch papers from Johns Hopkins Aramco Healthcare, and I print it by myself because the store sent me a PDF copy of the instruction manual. Wait, let's just fold this crap here. And what you can see here is this decal sheets. I don't know what kind of decal is this, but I think this is a drag transfer decals. And we have runners here that are separately wrapped by a plastic. So it is separately wrapped. That's why it looks so much, because it's separately wrapped. These are purple runners, black runners, purple runners. The purple runners, we have here hand parts, interchangeable hand parts. Orange runners, green runners, another gray runners here, and black runners, gray runners, all gray runners. And I was surprised that majority of the kit are comprised of this stand. So These are for the stand, the hanger of the Evangelion. So these are big plastic parts here. So these are hanger parts. So majority of the box space are for the hanger. And yeah, this is another black part here, black runners. And this tube for the energy attachment. All hail China. As usual, before I build the kit, let's have a quick review of the runners here. We have here purple runners for runner F. We have here runner D, purple runners, another purple runners for runner E. We have here gray runners, ABS plastic for runner K here. Another ABS plastic here, runner L. We have black runners here, runner, what's this? Runner G here. And I broke the runner here. This is runner I. And mind you, be careful when opening the plastic because the runners are brittle, and I find that the parts are brittle also. So this is runner H, green runner for runner J, this runner for the sole of the foot, so runner P. We have here runner for the weapons, the runner M, gray pieces, runner C, gray pieces for the weapons again, runner N, gray pieces of plastic, runner A, gray pieces, and runner B, gray pieces, and finally runner O. So majority of the kit are gray pieces and some purple pieces. All hail China. And I thank NeoHobs for providing me the kit, and it was well packed and individually wrapped in plastic. And don't forget, we have here also the interchangeable hand parts in this Ziploc plastic, and we have the decals, dry transfers, and I don't mind building this because this will take up much of the space of my cabinet. So maybe I'll just skip this, and if I have a big space or enough space, I will create or build this for this Evangelion. And don't forget, we have here the energy tubes included. Okay, let's build this in honor of China. And this one, the Neo Japan Mobile Fighter God Gundam Hyper Mode. And Dan Gaio is dueling for which space they want to occupy. Who's your bet here between the two? Anyway, all hail China.